One of the things that makes Slush Wallet so unique is that you're able to send any sweet assets, whether they're coins or NFTs, to anyone using a link, and they're able to claim those assets regardless of whether they have a Web3 wallet or not. So I'm going to walk through the process of how to do that, how to create a claimable Slush link in this video. Start by opening up our Slush Wallet, and then if we click on send, you'll see here you have the option, number one, to send directly to a wallet or to create a claimable Slush link. Directly to a wallet is a traditional method you're probably used to, where you choose a sweet asset, an amount, and then you enter the recipient's address that you're going to send it to. Or if they have a sweet NS name, you could just enter that and it would send it to them. In this example, I want to create a claimable Slush link. Once again, you have the option to send coins or NFTs. In this example, we're going to go ahead and we're going to send coins. Then I have the option to go ahead and create a link that contains any of the tokens I have in my wallet in any amount. In this example, I want to select SWE because this link is going to be for the winner of a giveaway that I did on my website. If you haven't checked it out, I encourage you to, stoy.com. I need to create a link to send to the winner of a 10 SWE giveaway contest. Once again, to do that, I'm going to open up my Slush Wallet. I'm going to click on send. I'm going to click on claimable Slush link. I'm going to add coins. I'm going to go ahead and click on SWE. Then I'm going to say 10 and I'm going to go ahead and say add. So this is going to create a Slush link that contains 10 SWE tokens. If I wanted to add NFTs to it, I could as well, or add other tokens. I could do that right here. In this case, I just want the 10 SWE. I'm going to say create link. So once you've created the link, you can then go ahead and copy it and send it to the person that you are giving away the 10 SWE to in this case. Or if you're onboarding family or friends, you could text it to them, or you could just send them the QR code. They could scan it and claim it that way. So for example, if I open up a new tab and paste in the link we just created, this is what I would send to the winner of the crypto giveaway that I ran on stoy.com. I'll simply send this link to the winner, and then they can go ahead and claim the 10 SWE in this link using a Google account, an Apple account, Facebook account, Twitch account, whatever is easiest for them. So Slush links are really cool. They're a great way to onboard new people. They're great for giveaways, and I'm sure there's a bunch more use cases for them. Just wanted to show an example of how to make one. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.